Hello students, so I'll start your HTML again because I've seen most of you have not understood properly HTML. If also we have not done practicals yet, so I'll show you how to start HTML from the basics. First you have to start with Notepad. Okay, you'll get a blank Notepad. Then in HTML it always starts with HTML tag. These are known as tags, where we have this angle brackets, less than symbol, greater than symbol, and in between whatever we write, that's a tag. After HTML, you have to start with head. Then you have to give title, and inside title you can give any title. So here I am giving my page. After that, you have to close head. The closing tags are always like this, which you have to give a slash. Then you have to start with body tag, and in body you can display whatever you want to display. Since every operations are done actually inside body. Then we have to close body tag, and at last we have to close HTML tag. So you have to save it either Ctrl+S or file, then click on save. I will save it. Let's say in documents, pictures. So in pictures I will save it. I will save it with my page.html. See, whenever you save a page, you have to save it .html, otherwise it will be saved as .txt. Okay. Then click on save. Now let's see how it appears. I'll go to pictures. No, documents, pictures, and my page. So it will appear like this. Okay, so double click on my page and wait for some time. You will see it will open in your browser. So here you can see it has appeared. Hello. At top you can see my page is written here. Okay, so this is the title. Whatever title I will write here, suppose instead of my page I will write my website. Okay, and again I will save it. And if you refresh it, you will see it becomes my website. So whatever you type in inside the title, it will appear. So I hope the basic is clear how to type the HTML pages. Then you got different type of tags. So the first tag that you got was different type of headings, like H1, H2, H3. So I show you how it appears in H1. This is heading 1 and close H1. Okay, save it. So I save it in the same way, then refresh it. Say this is heading 1. So how it will appears in in other headings. For that, let's copy paste it again first. Okay, then rename this as H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Same here again, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here if you refresh it, you see heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How it appears, heading 6 is the smallest one and heading 1 is the largest one. So whichever heading you want to use, it's up to you. Okay, then again let's say title, I will change it here and write headings. Okay, you refresh it, see the title has changed, headings. So whatever you write inside title, it will appear here, not inside the body. Whatever you want to make it appear here in this white space, you have to write inside body. So heading is also clear. So next, what will we do next? Okay. So after that, you will see we started paragraph. This is normal text, and if I add P here, This is paragraph. Okay, and close view. Let's see how it will appear. Close it. So you will see between normal text and this is paragraph. Paragraph with this P tag. You will see some space. Now if I remove this P, if I refresh, see, it will go in the same line. So to bring it to the next line, either you have to use break tag or like here you have to use paragraph tag. These are the two ways. Now in paragraph we will also get alignment. This is already aligned to the left side, so I will align to the right side. Save it, refresh and see, align to the right side. If I align it to justify, then it comes to the left side, but actually if you have a very big paragraph, then the scenario is clear because it will show how it is equally distributed among the page. If you write center, refresh it, it will come to the center. Let's see if we write CENTRE, will it work? Refresh, it doesn't work because we are using American English, so you have to write center TER. Okay, I hope paragraph is also clear. Okay, then what we started, we did font also, different type of fonts we did. So here let's type font, font face equal to Arial, then font size equal to 5 and font color equal to red. Here we have to close font, right? Let's refresh. So you can see normal text here. This is a paragraph. This has become red color. So different type of font face you can find it here. If you click on edit, okay, no, sorry, format. In font, if you click on font, you will see there are different type of font face. These are different type of font face. Let's try this. You see the handwriting. So if we write here, you see the handwriting. How it will appear. Refresh it. It has changed a little. Okay, you can see space bar is required. Okay, now it's working. See, it has become in a different way. Also, you got bold, italic. So if I write here bold, that is B. Close B. You will see it will become bold. The normal text is bold. If you use a BR tag here, you can see again. It will bring to the next line. You can use italic also. That is I. Okay, after B we will close I. See, it has become italic. Then you can also give here underline. So if you give underline, you will see underline has appeared. Okay, so this is how you will write. Most of you ask me how does TT appears, means that is typewriter. See, that font has become a little bit different. I will remove these things and it will become easier for you to see. I will make it each 3, it will become bigger. Refresh it. Okay. So this is how typewriter appears. If I make it each one, maybe then it will be more visible. This is typewriter. Okay. And instead of typewriter, if you write STRIKE, strike, and refresh it. So this is strike through. Okay, so also I taught you how to write that one subscript and superscript. So if you need to write H2O, so this is H or 2, which will come down, you have to write SUB, that is sub. Then write 2, close again, sub. Save it. Every time I am pressing here Ctrl plus S, so you won't be seeing it because this is just a screen recording. Then see, H2 is there. If you write here O, then your H2O will appear like this. Then if you want to write A squared and you write A, then SUP, write 2, then close SUP. Refresh. So A square, it appears in the same line, so to bring it to the next line you can write BR tag. So it's to A2. I have superscript and subscript is also clear. Okay, so what were other things that we do it? This much is clear. If it is not clear, you can ask me again in the group, or you can personally text me if it is not clear. Then we did different type of tags. Okay, before this again pre-tag. Pre was there. Suppose this is the example that I gave in the class. If you give lots of space and write here morning without pre-tag. Right? Let's see. If I refresh, see only one space is there. But if I use pre-tag here, if I refresh it, see, you will see the space. It is also used for making it look in a different way. Suppose you want to make it view like this. Good morning, all of you. Okay, if I refresh it, see, it will appear like this. So this is the main purpose of pre-tag. If I remove the pre-tag, then how it will appear? So it will appear like this. Then center tag was also there. Center, you have to write here, then close it. Refresh it. So this is how center tag will appear. So H1 is done, font is done, then your pre-tag is also done, center tag also I have shown. What is left? Okay, different type of attributes of body. Now in body, I saved it in the same folder called picture. So in pictures, let's say rock salt. So if you right click here and click on properties, you will see here it is a PNG file, .png. Okay, and this is the name of the. Let's say I will edit it and make it only rock. Okay. So if you want to make this rock in the background image, you have to write background, and then you have to write the image. So this rock.png. So this is the extension. Now if you refresh this page, you can see. So this is a image of one of my video. I have one more channel, that is alternative medicine. There I use this. So you can see this is how you can insert a background. Now if this is in a different folder, let's say I will copy this rock and then paste it in C drive. I'll paste it here. And what you have to do, you have to write like this: E colon double slash then rock.png, then refresh it. Okay. Now if I delete this file, refresh, the image is also gone because there is no image there, right? Now for background color, you have to write basic color. Okay, basic color yellow. Fresh, you can see a yellow color background. Then you can give top margin. First let me write here Okay. Online class. You refresh it, you will see like this. Now let's see if we give top margin and bottom margin, how it will appear. Top margin, let's say it is 500 and left margin it is say 500. If you refresh it, say, so this thing is above offline class, it is 500 margins, and this side also 500. So we don't have to give this much, we can give only 100 here and also 100. Then refresh it, this is 100. If we give only 10 as the left margin and bottom margin, refresh it, this is only 10. So in the same way you can give right margin and also you can give bottom margin. So these are the uses of. You will also get wheeling, then wheeling. Those I will teach you again when you will be doing wheels in the next chapters. Okay. So these are the attributes of body. Inside the tag, as this is the body tag, and whatever we write is inside, they are known as attributes. Okay? And attributes always you have to write in double inverted comma. If your browser is updated, as you can see, I'm using an updated version of a browser using Chrome, then your browser will ignore all this small errors. Okay? But actually, we should give this double inverted comma, then it is actually correct. I hope these things are clear. And base font also we did. Okay. So for base font you have to write here base font, and their the other attributes of base fonts are almost same. If you write face, let's write here Sita and write it. Size you can write here 4 and color blue. So if I refresh, you will see there is not working. Let's see if it is not working. Why is it not working? It's not working properly. So maybe this font is, there might be some other kind of text for this font. Font is working, but if you write here base font, it doesn't work. But this is the actual way of writing base font. I don't know why it is not working here. So you will see that how errors are also corrected. Let's try by closing it. No, closing also it will not work. So any of you try base font. Maybe it is not supported in my browser, that's why it is not showing. But this is the way of doing this writing base font. So here you will write font and size 7. Then refresh it. This is font size 7. In this font, if you write font size 4, let's see if we write here class 1, of course or not, online classes 4 plus 3. Okay, so size is working well. Let's write 7. Size is also not working here because that was actually size 3. If plus 3, then let's see how it is. It will be bigger. So it is working. You can see the 4 plus 3, it is working. If we click here minus, how it will appear, because it's a very small one. If we write here minus 7, then refresh it, it won't go, because it will become it means it is irrelevant, you cannot type. So if you give minus 3, then it will be based on 1, then this is the smaller size. Okay. I hope these things are clear. This is how you have to write. I did not close font, but still it works, because the browser is updated. Maybe these fonts which are no longer used, that's why in this browser it is not supported. So this is how you have to write font and base font. Okay, so then here I'll stop, because I want you to practice these things at home. In your computer, practice it, and if you want, you can send me the pics of your outputs, or if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me. And if you find any problem while doing the practicing this practically, you can message me. Okay, thank you very much.